When I saw my list of how to teach letters, and I'm working with children and I'm saying, you need to learn how to alphabetize. And then I tell them, now put all these letters in order. I always wondered, why am I teaching it this way? Do they really need it? And then when someone comes and tells me, can you please organize these files in alphabetical order? And this is the way you can find information if you look it by alphabetical order. And then all your phone numbers are in your phone in alphabetical order. And you can find them easier that way. And when you look for information about countries, it's all in alphabetical order. So yes, I find out that I do need to teach alphabetical order. But I do this with every single step. I question myself as a teacher, as a speech pathologist. Do I really need to teach this? What is it for? Is it a foundation for another skill? Is it a building block to learn something else? Is it something I'm going to use in my life? And the answer is yes. Everything I put in my simple steps for learning programs, I questioned it and then I created it.